Let us continue the second session of antiviral drugs. Respiratory syncytial virus. What are the symptoms of the RSV? The mild symptoms include congested or runny nose, dry cough, low-grade fever, sore throat, sneezing, and headache. And severe symptoms of respiratory syncytial virus include fever, severe cough, wheezing, rapid breathing or difficulty breathing, and the cyanosis. What are the drug of choice for treatment of RSV, respiratory syncytial virus? The drug of choice is the ribavirin, which is available as aerosol formulations, inhalational formulations. Mechanism of actions, it interferes with the viral messenger RNA. So drug of choice for the RSV treatment is ribavirin, which is available as aerosol, and the mechanism of action includes interfere with the viral messenger RNA. Indications where it is used: respiratory syncytial virus, and also in the chronic hepatitis C virus infection. Side effects includes fatigue, headache, hemolysis, myalgia, nausea, fever, and the insomnia. Contraindications: documented hypersensitivity, women who are or may become pregnant, and men whose female partners are pregnant, and autoimmune hepatitis. So we can say ribavirin may induce teratogenicity. That's why it is contraindicated in the pregnant women's. Cautions: cardiac disease, and the monitor respiratory function during the treatment, because this ribavirin is available as aerosol. So these particles may be deposit into the ventilator and may leads to the ventilator dysfunction. So if there is a question, which one of the following is a drug of choice in the treatment of respiratory syncytial virus? The answer should be ribavirin. And the management of the chronic hepatitis B virus. Generally, acute hepatitis infection, we can say acute hepatitis B virus infections resolve spontaneously in 95 to 99% cases, and therefore no treatment or no management is needed. So we need to treat the chronic hepatitis B virus infections, and the drugs which are used in the management of the chronic hepatitis B virus includes the interferons. In my opinion, we already discussed the hepatitis treatment in your GIT block, gastrointestinal block. So I suggest to read this previous lecture of the viral hepatitis treatment. In this block of the IMS, we are studying the things which are not studied in previous block. So I just give you some overview about the here chronic hepatitis B and the C virus. So for the acute chronic hepatitis B virus, no treatment is needed because most of the cases resolve spontaneously within a week. Management of the chronic hepatitis B virus, we need the interferon alpha 2A and interferon alpha 2B. Pegylated interferons are available. Why pegylated? Because it contains PEG, polyethylene glycol. Interferons are available, alpha 2A and alpha 2B. And the drug therapy include nucleoside and nucleotide analog. So if there is a question, which is the drug of choice, first drug of choice from the nucleoside category for the management of the chronic hepatitis B virus infection is entecavir. Nucleoside, what is the difference between nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor and nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor? The difference is only of the phosphate group. Nucleoside is the without phosphate group and nucleotide is with the phosphate group. So from the category of nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, entecavir is the first choice of drug because of the high efficacy and the less resistance. Second drug is telbuudin, high efficacy, high resistance. And third drug is lamivudine, which is having the high resistance. The first choice of drug from the category of nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor is tenofovir, which is having the high efficacy and the no resistance, and adifovir, which is having the less efficacy. Viral hepatitis C infection. Treatment of acute and the chronic hepatitis C infections. For acute viral hepatitis C infections, we need here pegylated interferon alpha 2A in the dose of 180 microgram per week, or pegylated interferon alpha 2B in the dose of 1.5 microgram per kg per week. And duration of treatment is near about 3 to 6 months. For the treatment of chronic viral hepatitis C infections, interferon alpha 2A, pegylated interferon alpha 2A and alpha 2B will be used, and plus the drug of choice is ribavirin. And another drugs are sofosbuvir and the ledipasvir, which are used generally in the management of chronic viral hepatitis C infections. These are the references for your perusal. Thank you very much.